Hello everyone. Today I want to read a short vignette, something I wrote many years ago. I call it Black Crow. I looked over my van to the top of the power pole on the edge of the street. My ears and eyes both compulsively drawn toward that sound of caw, caw. We all know that piercing sound of black as ink crow. This crow's call had a special purpose today. This crow's call was for me, demandingly making plain the bare awareness of the entire environment about me. Streets, neighbors' homes, trees, men on the roof across the way and down the block a bit. And yes, the crow too. And out of this bare awareness, I want to say that everything sparkled. But it's not a sparkling like that from a fireworks display. It was a freshness of each and every distinct object beheld. A freshness of seeing the striking distinctness of whatever happened to come into my vision, and sensing and knowing that this immaculate distinctness created a most perfect harmony. Wholeness created from distinctness. And out of this freshness, distinctness, and harmony, there came a joy. It is a sigh that says, I'm so happy just to be here. I'm so happy just to be alive. So I thanked the crow and went my way, knowing that I will not forget this crow for quite some time.